Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Panda palette update for you. It's already the September update. There are only 3 more until the next year. It's unbelievable. But I have some progress for you, and I actually forgot to show you a new shadow last time, so I will show it now. And also at the end I will ask you a question. Well, you know what? I will just ask you now. I need a new palette, because granted I still have a lot of palettes to go through, but I don't know, like, do you know that urge you have that you want to buy something new, something fresh, something, just something cool? I'm actually planning on buying the Novena palette by ABH, not the new one, but the old one. Like this size, basically, not the big size. But I don't know. Let me know if you have a good cruelty-free palette that I should get. Nothing too dark, nothing too neutral, so maybe a bit of color in here and there. So yeah, so that's that question out of the way, and then let's just get straight into the actual update. Let's go. So like I said, I forgot to show you one item last time. This is the IQUS Fat Eye Stick in Gilt, and I got this in a Look Fantastic box. August? Or July? I'm not even sure. Hold on, let me see. I think it was still July. I think. I haven't shown you this, so this is what it looks like. So it's an eyeshadow stick, obviously, and this is what it looks like. Greenish golden shade. It's actually very beautiful. There you go. I've used this in a couple different ways. I will put some pictures here. I'll also put them on my Instagram if you want to check that out. I will link it down below. I use it on its own. I use it with a blue on top, a green on top, a kind of like this color, you know, the hot chocolate from my chocolate bar palette, and it looks good. But given the fact I have hooded eyes, I don't know if you can really tell. A stick like this, or any form of liquid or gloss on my lids does not look good. It's sticky. It literally sticks in my crease. Looks horrible, and just horrible to work with as well. So as much as I love this color and as much as I use this, I don't know if you can tell, but I use this quite often. I'll get rid of this because it's just not, like, I love it, but it's just not working great with my eyes. And no matter what eyeshadow I have on, no matter how much I blend it, no matter how hard I try to make it look good, at the end of the day, or even just like an hour later, it's just all up in my crease, stuck there, and then it just doesn't look good anymore. So it is a very beautiful color, like I said. Easy to use, like you just twist this up as far as you want, go over your eyes, be done with it. You don't even have to blend it in, you know. But yeah, I just sadly can't deal with this. I tried out though. I did a variety of looks, like I said. You can all find them all on my Instagram account. But I think it's sadly time to let go of this. So then I think I'm going to talk about the one that I have on right now. This is from the Hasina 2 palette by Blush Tribe. This is what this looks like. Gorgeous palette. It's Iris. This shade over here, which I've used in my palette bingo video. It has a nice dip going on. Look at that. I don't know if you can actually tell. You should be able to. I have it on my lids right now. How many times do you think I went into the shadow on my lid to have this pigmentation on my lids? 5 times. 5 times in on my lids, into the color on my lids, into color. That's just not for me. Like I need to get ready very quickly in the morning, mainly because I like sleeping in and because I'm a lazy bitch, basically. I don't want to spend like 20 minutes on my eyeshadow. You know what I mean? So I will give you a swatch of it. It is beautiful. It looks much more pigmented in the camera than it actually is in real life. It's not really there. It's also very powdery. I will link the video here. You can check it out. I had fallout all over my cheeks. Which, again, it is indie brand. Maybe they don't have the resources to make good shadow, but also purple and just in general colorful and darker shadows are harder to make. At least that's what I've learned from watching videos basically every day. Yeah, I love it, but it's just not for me. It's just horrible. So I will get rid of this. I will probably just grab it out. Either that, or let me know, should I keep this and then mix it in with another eyeshadow? You know, make my own Franken eyeshadow. You know, be like Dr. Frankenstein and just make a new shadow. Would that improve the pigmentation? I don't know. I'm not really sure. So this video will go live on Tuesday, and I will wait. Actually, you know what? I will do a poll on my community tab so you can vote there. Should I keep this to make another shadow, or should I just get rid of it? Because I literally don't want it. Maybe I should just get rid of it. This is a beautiful color, but it's hell not for me. This is still a beautiful palette, but that color just is not working for me. Then I will show you my Makeup Revolution palette with basically no progress at all. This is Oak, but I will zoom in, of course, so you can actually see it. Did I hit this edge here last time? Not really sure, but this is what cool looks like. Basically no progress at all, but I'm working on it, as you can clearly see. So also a little swatch, which you've seen in every single video. This one. It does the job. I use it for my brows, and that's all I use it for, so it will take a while to be empty, but I don't care. I use it, and I'm determined to finish this palette. Hopefully soon, but you never know. And next up is my chocolate bar palette. I used up the ABH Golden Ochre. Was it that? I'm not sure. I used that one up, and like I said in the video, I want to use a light shadow, then a darker shadow, then a light shadow, and a dark shadow. So, given the fact that that was a rather lighter shade, I'm back to using hot chocolate right now, which I will also give you a swatch. This one here. See, I used this one on top of this, and it's kind of like the same color, but this gets a bit more vibrant with the base underneath. It actually looked very nice. I don't think I have a lot of progress on this, but this is what that one looks like currently. And then I also kept, oh, wrong side. I kept on using this with Champagne Truffle. Also not a lot of progress, to be honest. We're getting to the end of this, which is good. Because that's a huge pan, that's like 2 normal pans, so I'm very excited about that. And if you keep in mind that I only use Champagne Truffle as a highlighting color, not even as an eyeshadow, just like in my inner corner and on my nose a little, that is nice progress. So Champagne Truffle is... oh my god, you can't even see it. Can you see? Maybe a little. There you go. And then I've also been using White Chocolate, which is a blending color, and you have no progress at all. I mean, you can see that I use it, but that's about it. Like, there's no dent, nothing. Absolutely nothing. That's that. And then, last but not least, before I give you my goals and my updated list here, I finished up my Essence palette. Oh my god. As you know, there was only a tiny bit left, and I think after the video, I used it once and it was empty. So this is completely empty. It was this shade here, just a blending shade. Like a beige yellow, like a beige white shade. I used it up. I'm excited. This whole palette is gone. Makes me so happy. So excited, yes. Which also, like I said in the beginning of the video, I need a new palette. Like, I'm down to 61 eyeshadows, which is not a lot. My goal was to be under 100, and I'm very under 100. I could buy a huge ass palette and probably still be under 100 shadows. So if you have, like I said, a good cruelty-free palette, let me know. I know that DM has BH Cosmetics, and I know they have huge palettes, so maybe I should get one of those. Or maybe one from NYX. I don't know. We'll see. So like I said, I'm down to 61 shadows. I started the year with 66. And I bought a palette in between. I got some new shades and I used up my goals. I don't really have a goal for next month. I want to continue to use hot chocolate because that's... I feel like I've been using this shadow for years and there's no progress at all. I mean, I can clearly see it as a pan, but it's just not going anywhere, you know what I mean? Maybe expand the pan a little in Champagne Truffle. That's about it. I will never hit pan on White Chocolate, not within a month, that is. So yeah, we'll just continue to use this. We'll continue to use my eyebrow shade, and that's about it. Given the fact it's fall weather, sweater weather almost, I might as well use like maybe like a burgundy or purple or plum or whatever color maybe. It's very cold in my room, can you tell? Oh my god. Remember like 3 weeks ago I was like, oh my god, it's so warm, I'm melting, it's fucking hot, and now I'm cold as fuck. So that was it, that was my update. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know how your projects are going. Have you finished anything up? If not, how close are you to finishing things up? Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next one. Bye! I use it in a variety. You know what, forget it, so. What was it called?